Still starting your video with a 10-second intro? That's cute, but by the time you get to the point, I'm already gone. Welcome to Hot Takes, the show where we say the quiet parts out loud.
No filter, no shame. Hot takes coming your way.
Today, we're calling out the creator sins that drive us all insane, and we show you how to actually fix them. If your TikTok or Reel doesn't grab me in the first 3 seconds, I'm scrolling away. Respect my time. Get to the point, leave out the long intro, and dive straight into the value. Your videos can start like everyone else's, ditch the generic intro and the slow pan. Instead, hit them with something they can't ignore. A bold statement, a question that sparks curiosity, or even a problem they didn't know they had. Grab their attention from the first second, or they're gone. While AI voiceovers are useful in some scenarios, don't let your brand sound robotic.
If it sounds like the TikTok default voice,
your viewers might scroll past. At least I know I would. Your brand's voice should be engaging and human-like, not reminiscent of an outdated robot. If you make a tutorial that's longer than my lunch break, you're basically serving me a 5-course meal when all I wanted was a quick snack. Get to the point, show me the steps, and move on. Sponsored posts are fine, but if your entire feed is just ads, I'm unfollowing. Authenticity matters more than affiliate links. If I have to use 5 different apps just to make a simple video, I'm quitting. Seriously, who's got time for that? Stuck in a workflow jam? Flixier cuts the fluff. One tool in your browser that actually keeps up. Edit fast and export faster with built-in voiceovers, AI tools, stock videos, and subtitles. No installs, no tab overload. Just you creating content that sounds like you. So, what's your biggest creator ick? Drop it in the comments and we might roast it next. And if your tools are driving you mad, give Flixier a try.